There are creatures that could be living inside your car, and you don't even know it. Look at this guy. It's an opossum, and he's got a friend. Yikes. And check out what these folks found under their hood.
There are 5 baby squirrels. There's their house.
These young squirrels made themselves at home in the nest their parents built.
My check engine light went on, and the mechanic opened the hood and found a little home.
And these newborn squirrels were born under the hood of another car.
Oh, whoa, we got another one hanging on here. Hold on, buddy. We're getting you. Hold on. All right, you're in.
The car. Is it a live rabbit or a dead? Oh, for heaven's sake.
I believe it is. We think it is. I think it's been moving and stuff like that, but I'm not entirely sure. I have to see.
So it's been driven. The rabbit has come all the way here from Cobham.
Yes.
I'll go and have a look. Poor rabbit.
Yeah, I know. So basically,
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
It is a rabbit. It's a wild rabbit. And how I'm going to get that out, I have no idea in the world.
There's a big hole under the under tray here. It's to choose its way in.
Okay, done some weird things for 34 years. This is one of the weirdest. Okay, he's been chewing on the under tray here. He's got in here. I guess the best way is to take that plastic under tray off, isn't it? Well, the tray really protects the sump of the car, but it also stops me getting up towards him. So the tray is there for the car's purpose to protect it, but it's stopping me getting anywhere. I can't get in from above because it's all so tight. There's so much gear in here, and he can't get out from the bottom, and neither can we. So what I guess we're going to have to do is just drop the tray down, which is only on what, half a dozen screws or something.
Yeah.
I'm bleeding. Look, it's caused me to bleed. Bits of food where he's been eating and stripping stuff off it. Yeah. Oh, there he is, definitely. You're a very silly one, Bun. I'm tempted just to give him an escape route by clipping this down with a torch or something, putting a net in front of it just in case we can catch him. Otherwise he's going to leg it to freedom.
Oh yeah.
Is he?
I can see him.
What, near the front or?
That'll be you.
Right, I'm going to try to go and grab the rabbit now. But this could be easier said than done. All right, one bun. All right, one bun. There's somewhere under there now. I think he's gone forward again, honestly. So he's still there, he's hiding in the back. We're going to try another prod with a stick, which means he'll probably come straight out. Hopefully that's the theory now, because we've given up trying to catch him. So he ran back along on top of that bit down there, went to the back. So he's either got out somewhere and made a very quick escape, or he's now stuck along there. But I would have thought there's holes where he could get out there, to be honest. Without putting the car up on a jack, we're not going to know. Ah, he's running up there, he's running up the Walton Road. One bun. Well, I had to go right through a whole bunch of stinger nettles to grab him. I knew it was going to hurt. And he didn't appreciate that either, because look at the claw marks. Look, he made me bleed. It's your fault.
Can't we ever just have a normal road trip?
No. We are on the freeway just outside of Dallas, and we have a cat in the engine. We were down in Dallas for a wedding, and we just hopped on the freeway when all hell broke loose. Come here, I hear you.
I hear it.
You hear this meow.
More like a howl.
I asked Andrew, is there a cat in our car? We pull over, and sure enough, Andrew pops the hood, and
I swear to God, I cannot see this thing. It's in the engine. First of all, Christine had already adopted him and named him before we even saw him.
yes,
I hear you, but I can't see you. You have to come this way. Come on. We called the fire department because we didn't know what else to do. Help's coming.
they were with us for
Almost an hour.
45 minutes to an hour, trying to help us, trying to think of different strategy.
Coaxing him with dog treats. Come here. Come on.
See him poke his head out, but There was no way he was going to fit his little body out of that tiny little hole. One of the firemen said, "You're going to have to take this to a dealership or a mechanic. They're going to have to take the car apart."
Luckily, there's one half mile up the road. Firefighters blocked the traffic. The fire department had blocked the traffic for us and let us kind of just creep forward off the exit about a mile up, which was stressful.
Super slowly.
You have a cat in the engine and you have to close the engine, start it up again. I don't think it's easy to survive in there.
It broke our hearts. I just kept saying, meow.
Come on, kitty, meow. We want to make sure you're okay.
We pulled into the service station and I said, "I'm not sure if you're going to like this or not, but I have a cat in our engine."
They said, "Call so-and-so. He's the cat whisperer."
Is this your first time?
Alive.
How blasé he was about it. Threw me for a loop.
It was probably 5 minutes the car was up on a lift.
They could see where he was, and they were trying to figure out, okay, maybe if we take the wheel off and then the wheel guard.
Yeah, buddy. Woo-hoo! Got him. When he finally came out, it was just a relief. The compassion of everybody was just overwhelming. It was great.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's still alive. Oh my god, poor thing. I wasn't 100% sure.
Wait 1 second.
Oh my gosh. So a hawk hit my car. I was going about 55 miles an hour, and it's stuck in my grill, and it's alive. Should we take it somewhere? I mean, is its wings? Do you think its wings are? No. It's okay. It's okay. Do you wonder if we? I mean, popping the hood wouldn't do anything, so because it's.
He's gonna try to bite me real hard.
I know, that's why I don't want you to like. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't panic, buddy. You're gonna break your neck. Oh my god. Oh. Do you wanna? Alright, I got it. See if I can see where's the.
Hey, buddy. Just hold on a second. I need to get a tool.
Oh man, poor little man. Oh, you're stuck in there. Look at your little face. I can't believe it. Oh, hit my car. I'm just happy it's alive. Yeah?
Right.
Oh my god.
He's alright.
Yeah, he's okay. What about? Is he gonna? Holy cow, he's beautiful. Oh my gosh, what about his neck? Is his neck okay?
Red-tailed hawk. He's alright. I just worried about his wing.
Is his wing like all jacked up?
What's that?
Is his wing all jacked up?
Don't think so. His neck's
Are you
alright.
gonna be okay? Are you gonna be able to fly, little man? Should we just kind of inch him over to that field over there? See if he'll.
Alright, ready?
Okay. Okay, little guy. You gonna be okay?
Just hoping his wing's alright.
Are you not gonna be able to fly?
His wing's alright. It's not broken.
No? Okay.
Let's see.
Hey.
Come on, buddy.
Hey, little man.
I know.
I know it's a little scary, huh, little man? You just had a shock, but you're beautiful. Come on.
How's those wings, buddy? You alright? Huh? Let's try this. Here we go. You ready?
buddy. Yeah, it's next to the
10 or 12 foot long.
Look at here, he's coming.
He's coming right to the road.
Are you getting it? Amazing. Oh, look at the muscle.
It's going to go under your car.
Coming under your car now.
move. Move back.
Because the car won't move back behind him.
And he just might have crawled up in the engine.
No, he wouldn't do it.
He's completely under your car.
Just looking for a walk.
We've got ourselves a caravan. Oh, that's hilarious.
Oh, there.
By the engine!
I just said to the wife, I said, I wonder if there's any pythons.
Oh, no.
Next thing you guys are saying, what?
Look what you've done.
Yeah, what I've done.
No problem.
Now everybody must suddenly run and see what he does when he's not looking.
And we want to
Unbelievable.
No.
You're lucky.
That was incredible.